Hey everyone, we were sent this dive light here. Really good ergonomics, very sturdy aluminum construction here. Really good end on it as well, and has the nice cord to be able to lock it to your wrist with the locking device there. And then also, here is the button to turn it on and off. You push it once, it illuminates on the low mode. You push it 2 times, it goes to high mode. And then you can push it a 3rd time to be able to turn it off. If you want to lock it so that it doesn't turn on and off at all, the switch actually has a locking mode. So you hit this button 5 times quickly. And I did this to be able to test it. So if you do 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it doesn't work actually. What you have to do is very rapidly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it locks it. So now I can push this button and it will not turn on again. And then to unlock it, hit this again 5 times very rapidly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it'll come on to be able to go through its cycle. One of the other sides things too is it has low mode and it has high mode. And then if you hold down the button for 3 seconds while it's in either of the low mode or the high mode, it'll go into SOS mode. So it, 3 dots, 3 dashes. So that's really cool to be able to have that emergency mode as well. And then if you want to get out of SOS mode, just click the button there to be able to get out of it. And then you can go through to be able to turn it off. So really nice features here. It comes with a rechargeable battery. So when you're done using it, it has about 4 hours of life on high and about 10 hours, it says, on low, depending on the conditions that you're in. So you unscrew this bottom to be able to pull the battery out, and then you put that in the charger, and then the charger connects to a USB, through a USB cable to a wall to be able to get it charged up. So really nice and handy, really good solid construction. Now, the true test is, does it work underwater? So I'm gonna go jump in the water here, show you a simulation of what it's like to be able to jump in the water here with this pool, to be able to show you how it works. And this would be something that I would definitely use when I'm out lobstering or going spear fishing at night, or just exploring nature at night too. It doesn't have to be used only in the water, but it is made to go deep underwater. It has the nice rubber O-rings in it as well to be able to make sure that it stays watertight. So the first time out of the box, let's go put it to the test. Okay, we have it in here. I'm gonna go down to the bottom of the pool here, which is about 9 feet deep, and see how it works. Works really good. I mean, clearly it's functioning underwater. At least at 9 feet, it does really well here. And it's rated to far below that. So it works really good, really easy to be able to use it underwater too. You can really feel the buttons. It has a little silicone cover over the light button to be able to turn it on and off. And it also illuminates itself green, which is a really nice feature to be able to have for the illumination side of things. So you can really see it when you're underwater, whether it's on or off. And then having the leash on there really just adds another nice element so that in case you let it go, it's still close at hand for you to be able to follow the leash up to be able to grab it and tote it back on. So go through low mode, high mode, works great. I'm excited to be able to put this out in the ocean and really get some good use out of it. I know it's going to work great for you as well.